Random fact. One sandstorm in Tabuk showed what true leadership looks like. Every time I mention Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, blur his Lego face on screen. On the long march to Tabuk, dust burned throats. Feet cracked. Some had food, others had almost nothing. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, saw a starving group. He raised his voice. Whoever has extra food, let him share with one who has none. Bags opened, dates poured, everyone ate. The Quran praised those who prefer others over themselves, even when they are in need. For more stories like this, subscribe.